it's your guys tonight, and today I'm back with another slime video. But yeah, I was fully ready to go to sleep. Then the doorbell rang, and I remember that I did that when I was like, how old was I? Like 5.
Coming through.
Okay.
I'm through.
The leaving green. But I got my package. I ordered 2 of them, but they only sent 1, and I started to open it, and I was like, wait, I'm dumb. I should do this with my slime people. Like, what's up? It has my address on it, and nobody tried to link me. If you do, I swear. If you do, I swear to gosh. But let me just cover up my address. You see, it's... Dang, y'all can't even see. Let me just take the stuff out there and show y'all personally. Ouch. Y'all cannot see this. Oh. Okay. So, it says, to Zamaria from Slime Shop. And it says, hey. And it says, glitter slime. They can't spell total right. Total is $7. And then glitter swirl slime is $20. They lucky I paid it with my trusty dusty card. Okay, but let me stop doing that. And then it says total $27. And then at the bottom it's big and bold words. And it says no refunds, people. No refunds. So let's get on to this video. They only sent me 1. I got the swirl. What the? Okay, and they sent me this magic marker. They say it's for you to do that. And okay, this is sticky. Wow. But this is the slime. It's stretchy and you know, it's just how slime is. Finna try to make the poop emoji thingy. Oh, it started going back up. Okay, so when I stretch it, I gotta hurry up and keep stretching. Keep stretching. Okay, now make the poop emoji. Make the poop emoji. Boom. I made the poop emoji. So here it is. And shout out to my best friend. We are going to be making a slime channel to get around, which will start tomorrow at like about um 5 o'clock p.m. after we get out of school, which I get out of school at 3, she get out at 5, so my glitter. Okay, my Orby, my glitter is coming off on the table. Yeah. So I would tell you to go to the slime shop just because it's amazing, even though it's sticky. And I forgot to tell y'all, this had Orbeez in it. So instead of saying glitter slime, it should have said glitter Orbeez slime swirl. Yeah, they should have seen that. But let's put it back into its container. And then wait for my other best friend, which her name is Taylor, to see my slime, cause she comes. That was my phone. Everything's okay. Cause she really likes slime and making slime and being slime. She likes making poop. So peace, y'all. See y'all tomorrow with my best friend on my slime channel. So bye, slime. Pick your poison. That's my new catchphrase when I come on. Hey guys, it's your girl Zamari, and I came here and I picked my poison. Let me stop joking now. Peace. See y'all tomorrow.